All right, everybody. So this is it's like really delayed. But this is Dr. Donovan. Okay, he is a chiropractor. How long have you been doing this for?
2 days. Been doing it for like 5 years.
It's like this is my 3rd day, dude. My 5th client. 5 years.
Yeah, and I moved out in LA like 4 months ago, actually.
Thank you for coming to my my stream. Let's get started. We got Brian, Danny, Andy, and myself gonna be cracked today. Brian's super ready to go first. He's just brushing his teeth or something.
All right, so tell me what's up. Like, you've separated your lower body from your upper body. What's going on? Like, was it a football accident?
Yeah, okay, so I was telling him before, I got a football injury a long time ago. Hurts my lower back.
Okay, don't worry. We're just gonna muscle test you, see what's up.
All right.
I'll be gentle. Straighten out this arm. Okay?
You made me
Push
swallow
up.
a boba.
Raise again.
That's
That's all you got?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta get these arms tuned up. They're kind of bouncy. So let's give you your first adjustment, okay? And then we'll get detailed.
All right.
So lay on your back face up. So we're gonna adjust right here.
Okay.
I'm just gonna lean on you, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
All right, deep breath. Let it out.
Oh.
Okay, what's that? What's that sound mean?
That was an orgasm.
Are you okay?
It was like one step below one of those.
Right here. You feel this thing? Oh. What's in there? Okay.
I don't know.
Deep breath.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
Push up as hard as you can right here.
Push up.
Yeah. You notice it's stable now?
Yes.
It's like much better. Push up right here. Way more stable.
Yeah, you ain't got shit.
Push up right here. You guys turn it
Oh.
off. Push up right here. I can turn it off. So I'm just stimulating this and you can turn off your arm.
I can feel it in my elbow. As soon as
Yeah.
you snap, my elbow starts hurting and it goes down.
Yeah, and we're gonna do another test. So I'm gonna touch
Ooh.
right there.
Jeez.
Straighten out this arm.
All right, please
You're
do.
next.
Okay.
What was that? I didn't know that was coming.
When this gets really ticklish and tight, you might be getting stressed out a lot. So we're gonna check that at the end, like your emotions. Okay. Wow. You really need a tune-up because you're not even trying, basically.
Really?
Yeah, like I'm not even.
Wait, can I try again?
Okay, one more time. It's like not working with my fingers. So
You're pushing. You're pushing up?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
Oh!
That sounded like a fart.
Oh, what?
My mic
Oh
sucked.
my god.
You know, it's just dead weak. This guy
stand
just needs a tune-up.
Damn,
I thought I was just gonna crack you, but
Bro,
you actually have
Brian's-
it.
Brian's probably good. I'm probably fucked, bro. I'll be-
Okay. Okay. Remember you were telling me you were trying to stretch your hip flexor?
Yeah.
It'll be better to release it. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's gonna be like right here.
Oh.
Okay, we gotta release
What?
this.
What?
He's fucking pushing his kidneys in.
No, Brian. Why are you making that?
Brian,
Are you in
Brian.
pain,
I
bro?
already know this is tight.
Oh, yeah, that's the same one.
Depending like who it is, it'll hurt people differently or not.
Yeah,
hurt.
he has like a past sports injury because his back is always tight. So he needs to release these muscles to help it recover. If these are too tight, his pelvis will drop forward and tighten up.
Brian, what's the ow? Where's that pain?
My hips are so tight, and when he presses on them, it hurts, but it also releases it.
Here we go.
Okay, what's it?
Oh my gosh, you are stuck.
Really?
Your balance is actually pretty good. So we're gonna adjust this.
Okay, wait, go slow. I'll go slow.
Okay, here we go.
I'm gonna fucking faint, bro. No.
So we're gonna adjust your skull. So turn your head this way. Okay, here we go.
Oh my god, that felt amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes.
You're all tuned up, and we'll check your emotions at the end with everybody else.
No, relax. I work out with 3 out of the 4 guys here. Can you guess the 3?
That's fucked up. This.
He's got like gamer neck.
Oh, you have gamer neck?
Good. I'm a Fortnite player.
Tell him how many wins you got.
I got 1,400 wins. Ooh, that feels good.
1400. Okay, 1400.
Yeah, 1,400.
I hit a Mortal Valorant too.
Oh, God.
Okay, strain this out. Push up right here. Uh-oh. All right, we're gonna adjust his ribs. Okay, here we go.
Oh god.
He's already fucking cracking.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what did you just do to me? Oh my god.
See what's going on. It's right here. I can feel it. Got that gamer neck. There you go. Yeah, it's way stronger. Now he can work out with you guys.
Let's go, Danny. Work out with us.
So we're gonna adjust your ankles.
Oh my god.
And then right here,
Oh, okay.
push up. Wow, it's way stronger. Push up right here.
Danny?
Wow. Oh my gosh. He has that hump right here.
Yeah.
My hump.
Get that gamer hump.
All right. Oh my goodness. What is this thing? Can you guys see this?
Yes.
Okay.
Camel.
Wow, it's really stuck. We're gonna have to, do you guys have a towel? We're gonna have to open him up. So he is stuck. So we're gonna have to tear everything in his body open. Here we go. There you go.
I'm not ring my mum, bro. Nah, I'm not even
Here we
joking,
go.
though. I don't know if she thinks this is a good
Oh! Oh my god!
Okay, we're gonna go right here. Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, lift your head up. Okay, here we go. Just drop your head. Just don't talk. I'm just kidding. Just relax.
You look like a fish.
Oh my god, can you do that again?
Yeah, you're all done.
Oh, I want to stay forever.
He floats off the bed. Sits on the couch. Oh my god, I don't know if I can do this. I'm gonna have to.
Okay.
Nah, no, I don't want to go last, bro.
Just do it. Just do it last. Come on.
No, no, I don't want to go last, bro. Nah,
Okay.
I'm honestly shitting myself.
After those first two.
No, because seriously, like, and I'm not even joking. Can we go slow or something?
Okay,
bro?
we're gonna go
Bro.
slow.
And also, genuinely, like, this is a real thing, like, off stream and shit. If I hear stuff, like, if
Yeah.
you say, oh my god, that's bad, I'll fucking faint, bro.
Okay, I'll be like,
No,
that
no,
was
just-
nothing.
Yeah, if you feel my back, don't, like, gasp or anything, because I know it's
Okay,
bad.
all right, let's just test your arms real quick. Straighten out this arm, push up, hard as you can. Okay, don't worry, you're actually stronger than everyone in the room. So. Okay.
That's all right.
Wow.
Ooh, fucking hell.
It's still stronger. Don't worry.
That was weaker.
Here we go. I feel it right here,
Oh,
actually.
fuck, I'm gonna fall off, bro.
Don't worry, I got you.
I'll catch you.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, fucking hell.
Oh my god. All right, here we go. Wow. Does that lean on you? Straighten this out right here. Push up. Way stronger, you notice?
Yeah, jeez, yeah.
Push up right here.
Wow.
Oh my god.
That's actually legit.
Push up as hard as you can up here. I just turn it off. One more time. I can just stimulate your muscle fibers. Hard as you can. Hard as you can.
What?
See, you know?
That's so crazy.
This needs a tune-up. Don't worry.
Am I stronger than him?
Actually, he's the buffest guy in here.
Oh.
He has 2 hearts, so you know.
That's 3.
Okay, 3 hearts.
Yeah, because he has one himself.
I'm gonna go nice and easy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yo, Brian, bro.
You good, bro?
Oh,
There you go.
Jesus, bro. My fucking milk tea's going in.
It's over here.
Oh.
Everyone has that gamer body, so you know I have to
Oh, he
beat
has
you
your
up.
body too?
The fuck? I don't even play Fortnite. Like, oh, fuck.
Oh my god, you hear that?
Okay, we're gonna adjust your pelvis right here. There you go. Lay on your back. So this is the grand finale.
That's scary.
We're gonna adjust your neck. We're gonna adjust right here. I feel this.
Oh my fucking Jesus, bro. Oh my fuck, I'm gonna throw up, bro. No, JC, bro, JC. Holy fucking shit, JC, bro. Oh my god, no, JC, bro, no.
Here we go.
Oh my fuck, bro.
Okay, let's see. Wow.
Oh shit. Bro, we going again, bro? Jesus.
Can you do his ears?
Nah, bro, Danny, shut up, bro.
Don't worry, you're all done. Isn't that okay?
You're doing something else, bro.
I'm gonna put you in a wrestling move after that.
Yeah, I feel like
He put you in a
upside down, bro. Thanks, man.
Okay, you're
You
welcome.
can actually help me out, to be fair.
Well, I want to see who's the strongest in here.
Oh, there's no point to it, it's me.
Actually, you might be the strongest one. Who knows? Push up right.
Nah.
One more time. Okay. It's kind of there, but he's resisting the most out of everyone. Push up here.
I'm scared.
This one is off though. That one's a little bit stronger.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Why is my head so down?
Why is your head?
I'm
You want? Oh, there you go. He needs this bad.
Stop.
Okay.
Oh!
Wow. And now let's check your arms. Let's straighten this out, and then push up as hard as you can. It's more stable, right? Push up right here. It's like much better. Okay, here we go.
Fucking hell.
See, right here. One more. There you go. Yeah, it's much better. Push up right here. Up. Yeah. Let's see.
Oh my God. Oh. Did you hear that?
He just touched you and it cracked.
Yeah, your whole rib cage was like really sticking out. I'm going in. Okay, bend this top leg right here. Okay.
It's so funny.
Here we go.
Oh my God.
My goodness. So we're gonna get his neck cracked out. So let's see what's going on. All right. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna just right here. Actually, I want you to scoot down.
Oh, hell.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hold on, hold
Let's
on.
get the towel
Dude,
out
give
real
me the
quick.
towel.
Oh my
There
God.
you go.
Holy shit.
It's a little taller now.
Yeah?
Look like you're about to cry.
Am I 6 foot now? Do I look like I'm about to cry?
Tears in your eyes.
That's what I saw with you. Dead ass. I thought it was Andy, but it's you. And I was like, damn, I think Danny's hurt. And then you're like, oh, that was amazing. Euphoria. So how does it work? I go back to normal in like a week or something?
It takes more consistency than that.
Oh, shit.
Well, you can do some things at home to improve your posture. Like for this area right here, you can lay on a foam roll like this and just use gravity to open up your spine. The only reason that everyone has a gamer neck is because it's like we're training to get this neck by using our phones or games. So if you do this, it's like you're working out to look like that.
I got the ergonomic chair.
Okay, well, you gotta make sure that there's
I'll work
movement.
on it.
No idea what the hell that meant.
Oh, you can also get a neck roll on Amazon and just lay on it, and it'll get your curvature back in your neck.
Your socials before asking.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, please, please.
So my Instagram is Dr. Donovan Smolich, and if you want to check out my TikTok and YouTube, it's Dr. Donovan. But check me out, leave a comment, I'll talk to you back.
You gotta spell out your last name. Bro,
Oh,
'cause-
it's DRDONOVANSMOLICH. Someone took my Dr. Donovan tag, so I'm just kidding.
You have an office here, right?
Yeah, in downtown LA.
Oh, wow, okay.
Okay. If you guys are in LA, come down to downtown LA. Send us a message on social. We'll give you the address.
It's worth it. Trust me. I feel good now. I was scared, but honestly, nothing to
It's
worry
great.
about.
I
That
love
shit was good.
W Dr. Donovan in the chat, please.
Yeah, everyone goes.
That was
to his
actually
socials.
amazing. I was actually scared that it wasn't gonna work or something.